Number 1. Husqvarna 350 BT Backpack Leaf Blower. What we like. Ventilated, integrated harness has a hip belt that is shaped to the contour of the operator plus wide shoulder straps. Constant fan speed is maintained with a cruise control function. Air purge function removes air from fuel system and carburetor for easier starting. What we don't like. Gas tank could be larger. Engine kill switch and throttle cruise control are one and the same. The Husqvarna 350 BT is one of the most powerful gas backpack leaf blowers on the market today. It features a 2.1 horsepower X-Torque 2-stroke engine and can attain a maximum speed of 7,500 RPM, generating a wind speed of up to 180 miles per hour. This engine uses 20% less fuel expenditure and approximately 60% fewer emissions. Number 2. Poulan Pro PR48 BT Backpack Blower.
Our newest gas-powered backpack blower has the power and performance to get the job done faster. It's ergonomically designed and lightweight for superior comfort. The adjustable shoulder and harness straps make it a perfect fit for everyone, with incredible blowing power to tackle leaves, grass clippings, debris, and more. There's no task too tough for Poulan Pro. It features intuitive controls consisting of a variable speed trigger and cruise control, so it's easy to find the precise airflow needed for a specific job. And backed by a 2-year warranty, Poulan Pro blowers will perform for years to come. Who says the work has to be hard? With
Number 3. Husqvarna 150 BT Backpack Blower.
When you're ready to power through your next yard cleanup, the Husqvarna 150 BT Premium Gas Backpack Leaf Blower gives you the perfect balance of high blowing power and ease of use. Unlike battery blowers, the 150 BT gas blower delivers 100% of its maximum power throughout the full runtime. The 150 BT's powerful X-Torque engine provides high airspeed and airflow with an air purge feature for easy starting, and a custom ergonomic 2-strap harness system tailored for a specific fit that helps take the strain off your arms, shoulders, and back. The 150 BT is also covered by Husqvarna's extended warranty program to protect your investment far into the future. So, when those leaves start to pile up, the Husqvarna 150 BT delivers reliable performance where it counts.
Number 4. Makita EB7650WH MM4 Backpack Blower.
Commercial duty performance for professional landscapers and no fuel mixing required. Introducing Makita MM4 Backpack Blowers. The powerful and fuel-efficient 3.8 horsepower 4-stroke engine requires no fuel mixing and delivers high air volume and air speed for commercial duty performance. Makita 4-stroke blowers have a convenient primer and mechanical automatic engine decompression, engineered for faster, easier starts so you can get to work. Makita's MM4 backpack blowers feature thick padded shoulder straps with multiple adjustments for added comfort. And the convenient tool-less handle adjustment allows quick positioning of the handle to the desired length. Commercial duty performance, faster and easier starts, increased comfort, and no fuel mixing required.
I like the backpack blower. It's very comfortable, easy to start, and seem to have lots of power.
Number 5. Greenworks Pro BPB 80L2510 Backpack Blower. Likes 145 miles per hour, 580 CFM, blows through debris and wet or dry leaves easily. Turbo button and variable speed trigger provide on-demand power. 2-year battery, 4-year tool guarantee. Dislikes: battery charge only gives 20 to 25 minutes. Turbo feature really cuts down on runtime. The Greenworks BPB 80L2510 Pro 80 volts max is touted as the most powerful cordless electric backpack blower available today. It weighs just 14.64 pounds and runs on a 2Ah battery charged with an 80 volts lithium-ion rapid charger. It claims to have a 30-minute runtime, and uses zero gas, has zero emissions, and requires zero maintenance. Number 6. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today.